Okay, everyone, I tell you, I am so happy to be outside. Finally, we have a day here. It's going to break 60 degrees. Probably already 60 degrees. Yeah, it's already 60 degrees. And it's going to get a little warmer too. I'm on the Delaware. Going to do some fishing, some cooking, relaxing. And been watching my cows the last few days. So Sam's got them today. And I am very, very happy about that. I need some peace and quiet. I need I need some just relaxation. Even when we were away, I mean, it was great to be on vacation and to get out of the cold. And you're on the beach when it's 60 degrees. There's a grouse drumming. I just heard grouse drumming. That's also nice to hear. That's great. But yeah, you're on the beach when it's 60. I mean, it's great that it's not snowing and it's not 10 degrees out, but it's like you're on the beach and it's 60 degrees. You can't go in the water and stuff. But 60 degrees in the Catskills, on the river, that's what you want. I'm going to be testing out a few things. Well, on the video, I'm only testing out one thing, and that is this fire pit slash grill. I'm going to get this set up. Flatpack portable grill fire pit. We're going to be using it as a grill, and then later on we're going to use it as a fire pit. I don't have the camper build back in. If you see back here, there's nothing back here. I still haven't put it back in from when I took it out when I went to my brother's. If you haven't watched that video of how I take out the camper build, it's, a couple videos back, I guess. So yeah, we got no gas, we got no grill. All we got is this. Well, no gas grill, I mean. This, we got some charcoal. We're old school in it. Well, sort of. It's match lit. And we'll do a fire pit. I usually start it with some Duraflame logs, but then we got some wood around here we'll use. We'll test it out both ways, and we'll see how it works out. Personally, I have some new waders and boots that I'm going to be testing out. New Patagonia waders. These are like the top end ones of both, which I'm very happy to try. I haven't had a really, really good set of waders and boots in a long time, so that's going to be fun. So let's get started. First, we're going to do some cooking on this. Let's get it set up, and I'll show you how it works. All right. When you get the package, you get a canvas bag. It has Velcro on it. It's actually a pretty thick bag. It's got the name on it. This is the Flatpack grill and fire pit. The company is UCO Gear. I don't know if they spell it or if they say it UCO Gear. I'm not sure. It says established 1971. That's a long time ago. It's older than me. This is the grill part. They give you a little tool to pick it up so they don't have to touch it if you want to take the grill off. This is the grill or fire pit. You can see right here it's kind of embossed. UCO Flatpack Portable Grill Fire Pit. These fold this way, and then you need to crisscross them. To do that, you have to open this up a little bit, and then it misaligns them. You see that? And then, let's see. Oh yes, there we go. They crisscross. Sorry about the noise. And then it sits pretty solidly. Now you can see these sides, right? You see the sides? These will stay like this until you put the grate on. Slips in here, and then it's real sturdy. But I have to say, if you don't put this on, it's not exactly rock solid. These things can fold in, but once you have a pile of wood in here, probably it's not going to be able to fold in. They're just going to flap around like that. So, and you have some weight in here, it'll be okay. But yeah, this grate really kind of makes it. Now you could leave this in even if you put wood there, so that's fine too. But we're going to use this as a grill right now. Later on we'll use it as a fire pit. So let's get some coal and pour it in here. We'll put this on the ground, obviously, and I'll throw some burgers on and we'll see what happens. Now, I assume you've used match lit coal before, but you gotta let it burn for a while. You don't want to put the burgers on like this. You'll have charcoal burgers. All right, once we got the coals, they're looking pretty good. Every once in a while, you see a little flame come up, but that's all right. I'll throw a couple of these burgers. And these burgers, I just looked at the sell date. These are a year old. These burgers are a year old. Obviously, they were frozen. That pizza sausage is cooked already. Well, I think you saw it's a little bit finicky trying to get trying to slide the spatula underneath the burgers. It kind of gets caught in the grill a little bit, but in a pinch for 50 bucks, I think that's what it costs, 50 bucks. That sausage is still going on there. 50 bucks, I guess I mean, how much more can you ask for, really? I would assume the burgers are fine. No weird taste like the metal is like giving off some kind of strange smoke or anything. So that's it. All right, I'm going to eat this, and then we'll get the fire pit set up. I'll empty it out. Obviously, I'll empty the coals out, and I'll get the fire pit going when it gets a little bit darker. All right, I'm going to eat. I'll talk to you in a bit. See ya. I was going to empty this out. Hopefully I'm not caught off camera here. But I figured, hey, this is kind of an easy way to get the fire started is leave the coals in there. So I got a half a Duraflame log. These things break very easily. You get the big ones. I always keep a couple in the car when I'm going out. We'll do something like this. Just being in the woods, just good to have one of these things, especially now when everything's wet. Well, I'm just going to plop this thing on here, and let's see if, I would assume the coals will light this thing up. Okay, everyone, very quickly, I think this is okay as a backup plan. This 50 bucks, it's probably about 14 by 10 or so. 2 people, that's all you're going to be able to cook for and keep warm with this thing. If you had 4 people, you'd have to be laying on top of it. It's not a big fire. You're going to have to keep loading it with wood. But it does fold up real thin. You saw that bag. It folds up super thin. I like that a lot, and it's nice as a backup plan. You should have propane and a cooktop for sure for cooking, but this is like you run out of gas and you say, all right, let's grab a couple sticks, throw it in there, and put the grate on it and cook up some food. If this didn't come with the grate, it's worthless. Absolutely worthless without the grate. The grate really makes this thing. I personally wouldn't buy one twice as big for twice the money because I don't need it. I got two people. I mean, I have the kid, but he doesn't. You're not cooking. You're not cooking applesauce on this, so I don't need it right now. But if you had two kids, 10 and above, yeah, I would say you'd probably want one bigger than this for sure. But it's neat to have. $50, kind of can't go wrong as a backup plan. I came out here with some coals. I didn't need the coals, to be honest with you. You know what I did, because everything's wet here. If this was dry, if I had some dry wood, I would have just cooked over the wood. I don't care really. Take a lot longer though than coals, because you got to get it going. Probably take about an hour for them to burn down. But yeah, that's it. That's my thoughts. The link will be in the description. It's an Amazon product. Well, it's not. It's on Amazon. It's obviously from that company, UCO Gear. That's the name of the company. All right, everyone. See ya.